Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. In our today's video, I'm going to be making a shampoo. I've got a lot of requests to make, a gel shampoo, an anti-dandruff gel shampoo. So today I will be making a gel shampoo here, which is very, very moisturizing for the hair, which will give a very nice shine, a very nice slip to the hair. So this is what we will need to make the shampoo. This is a little advanced formulation which I will be making today. The basic gel shampoo recipe will be shared in the description box, so y'all can go ahead, whoever wants to give it a try can go ahead and definitely make that. For more advanced formulations, y'all can contact me for the workshops. The number is mentioned in the description box. So here we have our water phase ingredients. This is our water phase, this is our surfactant phase, which we will be using to make this gel shampoo. Here in my water phase, I have my distilled water and I have taken glycerin. Again, glycerin is a very good humectant. It will give a very good shine, slip to the hair, moisturize the hair. So that is the reason why we are using glycerin. You can use any other humectant if you wish to. And here we have our surfactants all added together. I have taken my SCI powder, I have my cocomidopropyl betaine. You all can take a blend of any other surfactants of your choice for this formulation. And here I have my cool down ingredients. We have a lot of our solubilizers, our hydrating agents, moisturizing agents for the hair to keep the hair well moisturized, to give that nice slip and shine for the hair. So first we will start by heating both these phases. We will be heating our water phase as well as our surfactant phase. Okay, so I have gone ahead and heated down both the phases, my water phase and my oil and my surfactant phase. And if you all can see that all the SCI powder has got well melted. There are no white particles left here. And now I'll go ahead and combine both these phases. I will go ahead and add my water phase into my surfactant phase. And we will gently mix this. Once you add your water phase into your surfactant phase, please do not keep mixing it a lot because the bubbles will be formed, which will be very difficult to later on settle down. So don't mix it a lot, just give it a very gentle mix. Okay, so now after going ahead and combining both the phases, we have a nice gel consistency here. With the surfactant and the water. And now we'll go ahead and add our cool down ingredients, since this is already cooled down. So as I said, these are all our hair loving ingredients with the extracts, the solubilizers, the nourishing agents for our hair to just give it that nice slip, shine and softness. And I'll just go ahead and give this a gentle mix just to avoid air bubbles from forming here in the mixture. So we'll just give it a very, very gentle mix. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and add the preservative to this. So for this we are going ahead and adding our water soluble preservative. And I'll go ahead and add my fragrance. And we'll just give it a mix. And now finally, just to give it a little bit of color, since this is just going to be a white clear gel, just to give it a little bit color to enhance the look of it, I will just go ahead and add a very little mica color to this. This is optional. If you wish to leave the gel in white, as it is transparent, you can go ahead and leave it as it is. This is absolutely optional. Okay, so I have gone ahead and mixed my mica here, my pigment here, and this has got a very light brownish peachish color, but this color is going to change because it's going to become a whole transparent gel. Right now, because of the bubbles that are formed, it's not looking transparent, but this is going to become a nice transparent gel by tomorrow. So I'll go ahead and fill this up in the bottle, so you all can see how viscous the gel is. And I will also show you all a small lather demo here. How much lather you're going to be getting using this gel shampoo. So this is how it looks right now, but it's going to become a transparent gel color by tomorrow. And for the lather test, I will just take a little bit of the gel here and a little water. This is specially for those people who find the creamy shampoos, lather very less. So this is specially for them, where you get a very rich and a very dense lather with the blend of surfactants that we have used, which along with having so much of lather, it still moisturizes your hair, it still keeps your hair well hydrated. So friends, if you've liked my video, if you like what I share with you all, please do like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends as well. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.